Mon histoire, c'est Torah qui commence dans les pages de contemplants efface. Les yeux fermés, mon prince fond mon blasé, et j'ai pris plus que jamais so tried to the face. On my own, pretending he's beside me. Alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. We should learn my common I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, my world around me changes. The trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him. We shall